Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Portrait Painting and the course code is FINE3124. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss about some Pakistani portrait artists. Saeed Akhtar. Saeed Akhtar is a Pakistani portrait painter. He has received the Star-e-Imtiaz award from the President of Pakistan. Saeed Akhtar was born in 1938. His father, Fazl Karim, was an education instructor for the British Indian Army and provided his services in Quetta, Pakistan. Saeed Akhtar graduated from National College of Arts, Lahore, where he studied art from the famous Pakistani artist Shakir Ali. After graduating from National Council of Arts in Lahore, Akhtar joined its teaching staff. His work reflects a creative genius inside him. The lively, expressive works reveal the inner feelings, influence, interest, and his emotional state. The body language and facial expressions are the basic life of his works. He is a keen observer who transforms the real images in his own way, rendering them in a new manner, in a specific style that is from real to surreal. Saeed Akhtar said that he loves to exaggerate the contours of the body and facial expression of his subject and embellish them with more interesting details. The specific elements of light, colors, and textures in a particular atmosphere create a vision which then takes the form of drawing or painting. His artworks offer three-dimensional as well as two-dimensional forms in a skillfully detailed manner. Painting and drawing are two sources for his expression. The energy with which his hand flows can be felt easily by viewing his artworks. The ordinary faces of men and women in his artworks are full of expressions. Smiling, fascinating portraits of young women with high, bridged noses, big bright eyes, heavy ornaments reveal a new world of beauty, but mostly in deep thought, making it a serious affair. Among the artworks, one sees some turbans wearing men with the stories of life on their faces. His work bright eyes, smiling face, turban wearing men, his self-portrait is drawing. Another artist, Jamil Naksh. Naksh was most known for painting the female form juxtaposed with pigeons and horses. He was born in 1939 in Uttar Pradesh, India, and came to Pakistan at the age of 9. He is believed to have dropped out of National College of Art because he believed art could not be bound by academic restrictions. He trained under Ustad Muhammad Sharif, a renowned miniaturist. In 2009, Naksh was awarded the Sitara Imtiaz. He was a modernist whose subject was the grace of natural form. His female form was innocent. His doves and pigeons evocative. He was known for his calligraphy, pigeons, and figurative paintings. The artist was from the same generation of the likes of Saad Khan, Masood Kohari, Ahmed Parvez, and Bashir Mirza. His work different style of portrait painting. Another artist, Irfan Hassan. Born in 1982 in Karachi, Pakistan. He lives and works in Lahore. Hassan graduated from National College of Arts 2006. He has held several solo projects and group shows nationally and internationally. His practice has recently been captivated by classical European portraiture and figurative painting. His work portrait painting, another work Rashid Rana. Rashid Rana is a Pakistani artist. He has been included in numerous exhibitions in Pakistan and abroad with his works in abstraction, on canvas, collaborations with a billboard painter, photographic video performances, collages using found material, photo mosaic, photo sculptures, and large stainless steel works. Rashid Rana large-scale photographs, which he describes as unpacked abstraction, appear as non-representative geometric compositions from afar, but up close they are revealed to comprise thousands of content-specific images. Much of Rana's work has a political edge and often incorporates a dialogue with painting. His work you can see portrait painting made with different pictures. The close-up Among his most renowned works are Whale 1, Whale 2 and Whale 3, 2004. In this series, Rana employs photographs of pornographic acts to create the portrait of an enormous woman cloaked in a burqa. This work points out the great divide between Eastern and Western cultures and stereotypes that perpetuate those differences. Whale 1 and 2. Detail. The difference between Eastern and Western culture. You can see the close-up. Tariq Javed. He creates paintings with modern touch and also uses all the embellishments of his culture. Faces and decorative figures with their soft or bright color scheme, depending on the effect he wants to create, are his strength. His work started as modern, non-figurative style, but over time he reached abstract figurative representation. He was inspired by the women of Rajasthan. His way of working incorporates different styles in abstract but very realistic way. Along with decorative elements, his sense of the figures made his work recognizable in the art world. His work another Manur Shah, Pakistani contemporary artist. Her work another artist Sumaira Jawad. If one looks upon the female characters of the figurative paintings, it is quite evident that these figures have evolved with the painter's skills. Sumaira, as a woman, internationally contextualizes intangible thoughts, feelings, and emotions of her gender. In recent years, she has started composing her figures in simplistic, sometimes even flat spaces. This practice offers more significance to her characters and adds a feeling of self-realization to them. At times, she also compliments her women with a rose, indicating the paradoxical possibilities of passion and purity. The meanings of her canvases become animated with simple compositions, roses, and feminine characters, which somehow negates the dull, diffused, and indefinitely present male figures around or nearby. In an approach that appears close to female chauvinism. Thanks.